Here is a matching type question on general organic chemistry. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Base strength of nitrogen compounds depends on 1. Availability of the lone pair on nitrogen, 2. Hybridization, sp3 sp2 sp, 3. Resonance delocalization, reduces basicity, 4. Inductive effects of substituents. Part A. Pyridine, 1-methylpyrrolidine, 2-piperidinone, lactam, 4-nitroaniline -- Concepts applied. 1-methylpyrrolidine, sp3n, no resonance. Alkyl group donates electrons strongest base, rank 1. Pyridine sp2n, lone pair in sp2 orbital, not in aromatic pi system, moderately basic, rank 2. 4-nitroaniline, aromatic amine, with strong electron-withdrawing nitro group para very weak base, rank 3. 2-piperidinone, lactam N lone pair delocalized into C is equal to O, amide N weakest base, rank 4. Order of base strength, 1-methylpyrrolidine, 1, pyridine, 2, 4-nitroaniline, 3, 2-piperidinone, 4. Assigned ranks, pyridine is equal to 2, 1, methylpyrrolidine is equal to 1, 2, piperidinone is equal to 4, 4, nitroaniline is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. Part B. Piperidine, aniline, 4 nitroaniline, succinimide -- Piperidine, sp3n, saturated ring, no resonance strongest base, rank 1. Aniline, aromatic amine, lone pair partially delocalized into ring, but no EWG moderately basic, rank 2. 4-nitroaniline, aniline with para, no 2, strong EWG reduces lone pair availability further, rank 3. Succinimide, N flanked by to C is equal to O groups, lone pair extensively delocalized into both carbonyls weakest base, rank 4. Assigned ranks, piperidine is equal to 1, aniline is equal to 2, 4, nitroaniline is equal to 3, succinimide is equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Part Cn, N-dimethylanilin, pyrrole, 1, 4, 5, 6, tetrahydropyrimidine, amidine guanidine type, 1-methylpyrrolidine -- 1, 4, 5, 6, tetrahydropyrimidine cyclic amidine, guanidinium type structure. The compound shown is a cyclic guanidine or amidine where conjugation upon protonation stabilize the conjugate acid by resonance across multiple nitrogens. Extremely strong base, strongest, rank 1. 1-methylpyrrolidine, sp3n, tertiary, alkyl substituted very strong base, rank 2. N-dimethylanilin, tertiary amine but lone pair delocalized into aromatic ring moderately weak base, rank 3. Pyrrole, lone pair part of aromatic 6-pi system, extremely poor base, rank 4. Assigned ranks, N-dimethylanilin is equal to 3, pyrrole is equal to 4, cyclic guanidine amidine is equal to 1, 1, methylpyrrolidine is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Part D. Isobutyronitriol, pyridine, 3-pyrroline, or 2H pyrrole with NH, piperidine -- Piperidine, sp3n, saturated ring strongest base, rank 1. Pyridine, sp2n, moderately basic, rank 2. Isobutyronitriol, CH3, to CH, CN or CH3, to C is equal to N-type nitrile. N is sp hybridized, lone pair in sp orbital, very weakly basic, but slightly more basic than pyrrole type, rank 3. 3-pyrroline with NH, or 2H pyrrole N lone pair involved in partial conjugation aromaticity or allylic delocalization, very weak base, rank 4. Assigned ranks, isobutyronitriol is equal to 3, pyridine is equal to 2, 3, pyrroline is equal to 4, piperidine is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. Therefore, the correct answer is A 2, 1, 4, 3, B 1, 2, 3, 4, C 3, 4, 1, 2, D 3, 2, 4, 1. The answer is shown on screen.